Today on your new Blazer, we're going to be looking at our doors. So we went ahead and took them apart because it's a lot easier to work with in paint. I can get into all the nooks and crannies a lot better. When it went back together, we've got a brand new window regulator in here. We've got a brand new door handles for it. Everything's, of course, has been cleaned and greased, all nice and working. We got all brand new rubber on our vent window and our rubber here. Rubber up on our brand new door panels also that we'll be putting on soon. So you can know that everything in the door has been taken care of. It's all new and it's ready to rock and roll for you.